Your products are ready to sell, but slow shipping or fulfillment errors can cost you 10 to 15% revenue loss monthly and hurt your Amazon reputation. Stockouts or missing inventory can also reduce the campaign effectiveness by 20 to 40%, while manual coordination eats up hours each week. Forceget takes control of your FBM logistics. We manage fulfillment, inventory coordination, and fast shipping across multiple warehouses. Plus, we run free daily audits with UPS and USPS. Make sure you get the best prices. We often find $5,000 to $15,000 lost revenue within Amazon FBM. We help our customers with real-time tracking, very fast communication, and end-to-end visibility. Clients keep inventory flowing, avoid stockouts, and eliminate late deliveries. No missed orders, no errors, 100% accurate inventory management, and Forceget makes Amazon FBM efficient, transparent, and reliable, keeping you and your customers happy and increase your revenue day by day.
Contact us today and get $500 off your shipment.